Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to show you how to enable low power mode on iPhone. Low power mode reduces the amount of power that your iPhone uses when the battery gets low. It optimizes performance for essential tasks like making and receiving calls, sending and receiving email and messages, accessing the internet and many more. Let's see how to enable it. First go to settings, then choose battery as you can see in the screen. In the below of battery percentage, you will find the low power mode option. You just toggle it and you can see the battery has become yellow on the top right. That means your phone has been enabled in low power mode. So this is how you're going to enable the low power mode. That's it for today. Thanks for watching.